In this video, we're going to preview the Wellbeing Index Starter Kit. This area of the admin portal contains information and resources to help during the setup and launch of the Wellbeing Index at your organization. This information will display on your dashboard when you first log in to your admin portal. The Starter Kit has four main areas. Sections 1 and 2 contain checklists and best practices for setting up and launching the Wellbeing Index. Section 3 contains a number of email templates for communications to your participants before, during, and after launch. Section 4 contains other resources including digital signage, flyers, and videos to help you get the word out and keep your wellness efforts in front of your participants.